excuse me, I got this email from your store but it is the key delivered after the time or something else.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. May I take a look?
Sure, here it is.
Yeah, the tip's cheap and the blade edge is uneven. That makes it hard to smooth surface properly. Do you still have your receipt?
Yes, right here.
Perfect. I'll note it down and take a closer look once I finish checking the other customers' tools.
Right, I think I have a simple problem. My saw blade. Then, after my first use, I was only out cutting some plywood and it just went out of shape.
That's definitely not supposed to happen. Could you show me the saw? You're right. The blade is warped. I'll make sure we get that checked properly.
Hi, is this where I report damaged tools?
Yes, sir. What seems to be the problem?
My hammer handle came loose. It almost slipped out of my hand when I was working.
That sounds dangerous. Don't worry, we'll fix it securely. Alright everyone, just so you are aware, here's how our complaint and repair process works. I carefully check each tool for damage. We confirm if the damage came from a manufacturing defect or regular wear and tear. If it's a factory defect, we repair it for free. No replacements needed. We also fill out a repair request form so we can track the tools during service. Repairs usually take 2 to 3 working days.
That sounds good.
Yeah, I just need my chisel to smooth work again properly.
Oh god, I finally can feel my hammer solid again.
Don't worry, we'll make sure of that. For Ayman's chisel, the cutting edge is slightly uneven. I will sharpen and polish the edge, then center the metal to make it stronger for smashing wood. In that form, the blade is bent, with tension and retention it so it cuts straight again. Rush's hammer, the handle can loose. I reglue it with industrial epoxy and reinforce it with a metal wedge for extra strength.
It's great news. How long will the repair take?
Around 2 days. We'll text you once everything's ready.
That's really cool. Thanks.
Before I send them to the workshop, please fill out this repair request form. It helps us to keep record and ensure you get the right items back. I got a question. Will we have to pay anything?
Look, all 3 issues are factory defects, so they fully cover under warranty. No extra charge. That's great. Thank you so much. You're welcome. We always prefer repairing tools instead of replacing them. It's more sustainable and helps reduce waste.
The tools are ready to pick up.
Awesome. How's my chisel now?
We resharpen and reforge the tip. It's smooth and sharp again. Perfect for detailed woodwork.
My saw?
We realign and test it. Cuts cleanly and straight now.
And where's my hammer?
Handles fixed tight. We added a metal wedge to make it even steadier.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm impressed how well everything turned out.
Wow, this service is top notch. I will come back next time for sure.
Oh, thank you. And remember, All repairs come with a 30-day service warranty. If anything happens, again, you know where to find us.
Really appreciate your help.
Same here. Great customer service.
Now my hammer feels brand new.
Glad to hear that. Thanks for trusting Handy Pro Tools. Have a great day and stay safe while working.